Yeah, good morning again, everybody. I am absolutely not going to finish this video until this engine and transmission are out. So, I'm going to start here first thing. We're going to go ahead. I've already got this trim pulled up. I got to pop out the glove box real quick and get to the ECU back here. We'll get that pulled. I'll at least get the wires disconnected so that we can pull it up through that grommet right there. And I've got 3 wires here to disconnect. We'll get those disconnected, and then that will all be free and clear. So that's what I'm going to start on, and I'll be right back with you guys as soon as I get that done. Shouldn't take long. Alright, that was super simple. Guess I could have actually done that all one-handed. So there was just 4 screws or 6 screws in the glove box here holding it in. And then your ECU's right there, that tiny little cute thing. And then you just have this push button in there. It releases, pulls right out. And as I can see, or as far as I can see, that is all that we have to disconnect. So now comes the fun of getting this grommet out, and then we should be able just to pull this straight up out. So try not to lose any of these clips and screws, and not 100% certain what I'm gonna need left when we go to put that LS in it. So trying to retain everything as much as possible, but I'm gonna get that grommet out really quick, and as soon as I get that loose, I'll be right back with you guys. Alright, so in the fashion of doing things for the first time, there actually was 2 connections. This little guy was hidden back up in there a little further, and the clip to hold it in was a little difficult to get loose, but there it is. Everything should be, electrical wise, disconnected from the car. Once again, I gotta crawl back under this girl, and I gotta disconnect that slave cylinder, and not the slave cylinder, just the line going to it. And then I got to undo the tranny mounts for the cross member, and then the motor mounts, and then I need to figure out a good place to lift this from. So I am not 100% sure yet where, but I'm sure I will figure something out and hopefully not break anything when I'm lifting it. So it's gonna be kind of hard to record while I'm underneath the car, since I'm doing this in my driveway, and I basically got jack stands there, kept the jack under there for backup, and then same in the back, jack stands under there, jack underneath the rear differential. That is my recommendation to everybody. Too many people rely solely on the jack stands, and we've lost some good people that way. So always take precautions, never count on those jack stands, and just make sure to have backup, guys, if you're going to be doing this in your driveway. just please don't rely on those jack stands. So anyways, I'm going to get under there. I'm going to get these couple of things disconnected, and I'll be back with you. All right, I'm back here. This is going a lot quicker than I thought, and I just got into it and didn't record some of the exciting action here. So we have the engine hoist hooked up. Had to pull the plenum off here to actually find a mount, and all I did was mounted back here on the tranny and pulled out one of the tranny bolts and put in one of a longer bolt for it. So motor mounts are already out. I actually lifted it up. It's already out of its pockets there. So now all I gotta do is lower down the jack that I have on the back of the transmission and see what we can get here. So I was gonna just go ahead and put it on a time lapse here, see how easy this thing comes out, because I don't think it's gonna come out very easy. So anyways, get you on a time lapse and kind of go from there, and I will be back with you as soon as I get it out. All right, I'm back here. This is going a lot quicker than I thought, and I just got into it and didn't record some of the exciting action here. So we have the engine hoist hooked up. Had to pull the plenum off here to actually find a mount, and all I did was mounted back here on the tranny and pulled out one of the tranny bolts and put in one of a longer bolt for it. So motor mounts are already out. I actually lifted it up. It's already out of its pockets there. So now all I gotta do is lower down the jack that I have on the back of the transmission and see what we can get here. So I was gonna just go ahead and put it on a time lapse here, see how easy this thing comes out, because I don't think it's gonna come out very easy. So anyways, get you on a time lapse and kind of go from there, and I will be back with you as soon as I get it out. All right, everybody, so we got her. Got the engine out. I did encounter, I left the cats on, so I had to crawl under the car. They're actually, I left those two on. They're connected to a brace, and as I was trying to pull the motor, they kept hitting the steering column and then the fuel lines here. So I had to kind of push it back in and go for it again. Looks like I did a little bit of damage there to that power steering line. I think that's pretty common. A21 Bravo said that he encountered the same issue and crushed his line as well when he did that. So it doesn't look crushed, it just kind of banged it up a little bit, so I think we should be good there. Anyways, now comes the adventure. I'm gonna try and sell this. It was running when it was pulled, or before I started disconnecting, running great. I'm actually Concept Z. I'm gonna see if I can get the number off of this tranny and see if I can find out for sure. I'm pretty certain that it's like a CDO4 or something, but man, it's so hard to tell. It looks identical to my CDO9, and I sent in the numbers on it, and it came back as that one came back as a true CDO9. So I'm gonna verify on this one, see what it is, and if it is a CDO9, I might try to sell it. Actually, I'm thinking I want to go ahead and sell the whole thing as a whole swap. The driveline, transmission, engine, everything. The only thing that's going to be missing, like I was saying, is the AC and the power steering. So other than that, it was pretty fun getting this tore out this morning. It didn't take much time. I was so close last night. So now I'm going to start working on, like I said in a couple of videos, so this false firewall here, I'm going to cut all of these pinch welds out, get rid of all this extra metal that doesn't even need to be in here. I believe it comes all the way down. It connects here to where the tranny tunnel begins. So, but I'm gonna drill out all those pinch welds and our spot welds, and then yank that whole thing out. Noisy motorcycles when you're trying to film, anyways. So yeah, next couple of videos are pretty much going to be me getting this all cleaned up. I'm going to get the car off jack stands, back down on the ground, so I can roll it around where I need to, and pressure wash the heck out of this, get it all cleaned up, cut that inner, or the false firewall out, and haven't decided quite yet, but I've been thinking about just scuffing it up and painting the whole engine bay black or something. I don't know, we'll see. It looks pretty dang clean, so I might just leave it the way that it is once it's cleaned up. So I might see if I can get some actual paint in a spray can, the actual color. Just get the paint code and go to a paint shop. They should be able to make me a batch in a couple spray cans. Anyways, hope you guys like this video. Definitely making some good headway here. Gonna have to get some more stuff ordered here in the next little bit so I can actually start mounting or getting the tranny mocked up and everything. But as of right now, I can go ahead and mock up the entire engine and see where I'm sitting there. So anyways, hope you liked the video. Like, comment, subscribe, give me feedback. If you know anyone that's looking for a DE35, well, the VQ35 DE full swap, selling it just how it is, let me know, and we'll catch you on the next video. Have a good day.